The path that I've chosen has led me to this, so I rock with my shit. I've been pissing no fear. As long as my brothers out here by my side,